how to find the apothem of a regular polygon so that we can find the area of that polygon. So you can see I've drawn a regular pentagon. Because it has an odd number of sides, we're going to find the midpoint of a side, and we line it up, our ruler, with the vertice that's opposite that midpoint, and we draw a line of symmetry. So we're cutting our pentagon in half. Now I'm going to repeat, find the middle of this side. I'm going to line it up with the vertice that's directly across, and I have two lines of symmetry. They meet at the center of my polygon. The apothem is a line that goes from the middle of my shape to the middle of one of the sides. So it's perpendicular. So if I take my ruler and I measure my apothem, I see that it is 1.3 centimeters. Now, if my pentagon has 5 sides of 2 centimeters, my perimeter is 10 centimeters. Our formula for area is perimeter times apothem divided by 2. My perimeter is 10. We just found our apothem. And then we divide by 2. So we get 13 centimeters divided by 2, which tells us the area of our regular pentagon is 6.5 square centimeters. Remember that the pentagon has an odd number of sides, so we go from the middle of a side to a vertice. Let's see what this looks like when we look at it even-sided shape, such as this hexagon. Now my hexagon has 6 sides, so now my lines of symmetry are going to go from a vertice to the vertice directly across the shape, opposite. So I'm going to cut it into 2 trapezoids. I draw a second line of symmetry. I now see where the middle of my polygon is. So once again, I'm going to find the middle of my side, and I'm going to draw my apothem and measure it right after I draw it, from the middle of my shape to the middle of that side, and my apothem is approximately 1.6 centimeters. And you can see middle of the shape, middle of the side, never to a vertice. Now we're going to find the area. My hexagon has 6 sides times 2, so my perimeter is 12. We just found the apothem. That answer we're going to divide by 2. This equals 19.2. And then when we divide by 2, we get 9.6 centimeters squared.